Alright guys, today's mission. So we're trying to change diesel pump here. Not much wires, not much electronics, full mechanical diesel pump. Maybe electric step up, but yeah. That came off of a Nissan ED33 engine. So today's mission, the Maxi leaking a lot of diesel. I mean figure it's through the seals just going on the pump. So all that diesel. So we had another engine. We take off the pump off of that engine and we're gonna see. Right now we're just trying to get everything out of the way to be able to access the pump on this engine better. Wherever brackets, wherever intake hose, injector lines. Just trying to make the job as easy as possible. Alright, 5 hours later. Nah, let me say about half hour. Oh, we had to compare this shot to before. We had to move AC compressor, out brackets, a bunch of shit. For the people that want to know, the FD35 and the ED33 all carry same externals, exact starter, compressor, power stay and everything. The injectors I'm not too sure, but yeah. This is mostly common in Cabstar and W40 civilian. So we are about to open up this cap here. That will give us the gears on the diesel pump. We could time it and then we pull them out. Yeah, so I guess some of the diesels don't have this, so we're fortunate enough to have a little window, if you could see. Let me see what's going on there. Alright, so you see a mark somewhere there, and then we take off the cover to make sure we firing at number 1, top dead center. So you can see how clean it is. We are assuming that's because diesel from the pump, the seal in front, well, all the seal is probably shot. So diesel from the pump went down in front, passed by the cover, straight down in the sump. So we're running on diesel and oil. So you can see, for those that know diesel, usually the oil rather sooty all the time. So that should tell you. That should tell you. Let me see how the oil look in there. Yeah, so yeah, diesel man know something had to be wrong there, right? Especially on our older diesel engine. So we're trying to remedy that there. Yeah, back to work. So we are currently looking for number 1 firing. So we would know that when both rocker arms are shaking. So like this one here. So this means when it, okay, so let me find one. So you see how this valve down, that means intake on number 3 is currently open, sucking in air, radiator, blast. Alright, that's one there. So when both rocker arms shaking, that means there's no force on the valves. Both both open.
Both on the one open?
Well, it right. So we got the pump out, clean up the gasket, switch around some things on the pump. We swap some things, keep some things. So we're about to go back in, make sure everything's fresh, new gasket. Let's see how we go. Catch us. Alright, so pump back in. We're now putting up the compressor bracket. Catch.ass.com. But you must get through. Show must go on. Keep all you updated. Right. Filling up water for the radiator, for the overflow bottle. Legit, my father doesn't use any FN coolant, dog. Is like straight rainwater. And I mean, y'all could put any comment where you want, but last time he proved it to me, last time when you had pulled along the the water pump, it wasn't what you expected if you was using water. It was not corroded at all, to say the least. Yeah, so we're about to start up in a bit, and the pump is tuned. Well, it's about to be tuned. Keep you all in check. Alright guys, so we got a few hard starts, but we finally started after 1 or 2 tries. So so we're gonna kill off the job tonight, so we're gonna try to calibrate the pump tonight. But in order to do that, I told you guys a little too much diesel in that oil, so we're about to change the oil. We're actually about to crack right now. Let's see how it's looking. You crack it during it?
No, no, make sure you filter the tongue off.
Oh.
Well, that filter won't come off.
You're afraid of?
I what? That diesel not run on me.
Yeah, so I mean, I ain't gonna keep you. Actually, I guess that's the diesel there. I just realized. But yeah. Alright guys, quick check-in. We ran the bus last night. The two pumps completely calibrated completely different. So the bus, I mean, it was you say he was driving extra board, and it was nowhere near the performance the bus is usually give out. And I don't know, I was feeling it. It was sounding different. It was feeling different. It was still giving out a grey smoke. I'm not sure if that's the remnants of the diesel, whatever was in the old pump. Because we didn't really put any treatment, so we didn't really do anything. We just swapped the pump and prime the filter. What we gonna do, we're gonna touch the, well, it's an older pump as I showed you also. We're gonna touch the fuel pin on the back, screw it in a little bit, see how that goes. When we now put any pump, we gotta advance it all the way. So we turned it all the way to the block. This morning he was telling me it may be advanced a little too much, so we had to retard it a little bit. But I wanted to take the moment to kind of explain to you all how diesel engine works for the people that don't know compared to a gas engine. So I mean, that's what I kind of start this venture for to teach you guys what I know, for me to learn, for everybody, you know what I mean? So in comparison, a gas engine needs air, spark, and fuel to run, and it needs it in specific ratios. So a gas engine, if it has too much fuel compared to all the other components, it's gonna run rich and it's gonna be cooler. I don't know if that's, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know if that's just because the fuel gas evaporates. I don't even sure if diesel evaporates, but yeah, the gas for the, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. And then if there's too much air, it will be, you would call that lean, and it would actually run hot. The engine would get hot. And there's also the pedal, the X pedal that you mash to go, is connected either by wire or by a physical cable to a plate in the throttle, in the intake pipe, that fluctuates. So depending on how wide you open the plate to allow more air in, that varies the power output, and hence you get to go, right? A diesel engine now, a diesel engine more needs just fuel and air. The older diesels at least to run. In comparison, older diesel engines, the newer ones, they come with plates, I heard, but the older diesel engines, they have no plates in the intake pipe. It's straight through, just air straight through. And what varies the power output is fuel. And so when you mash the X, the same pedal, it goes straight to the fuel pump, and that actuates, that varies the amount of fuel going from the pump through the injectors into the engine and power. And that would also dictate how much black smoke you're shooting out. Hashtag cool. So diesel now is like opposite to gas. So the more fuel you put into a diesel engine, the higher your temperatures will be, the higher your exhaust temperatures will be. Yeah, and you run your higher risk of getting blowing up your engine. The more air you have, the cooler it would run. So, for example, let's say if you put a bigger turbo, I mean, this going into a whole other topic, but if you have a much bigger turbo for your engine and you do increase your fuel, you do adjust your fuel to suit, then you might barely even see black smoke. Whereas if you tune your pump and you do have a turbo, or you didn't adjust your turbo to suit, you will be getting a lot of black smoke. So I just wanted to explain that to you guys quick. I mean, if I'm talking shit, let me know in the comments if like what you're hearing, if you like what you're seeing, give me some feedback. We all strive for love, and I appreciate the constructive criticism. So I'm just starting off on IGTV. I will be venturing to YouTube soon, but I just say I'm just start off my videos on IGTV and see how we go. So yeah, that's it for the pump. We are just tuning it now, and I will keep you guys in check. Alright, peace, love.